pop that in there. I'll screw that back. Whoa! Nice. Okay, put some silicone there. Does it fit? Yep. All right, I'll throw a few screws in there. Ready for waterproofing tomorrow. And that there, folks, is how you trim out a niche. Quick, easy, simple, bog it up, waterproof it, you're laughing. You don't need to go out and spend a fortune on a pre-made one. You don't need to. Some up the top there. Once I put in my backing board, which is here, I'll have to trim it down a little bit smaller. Oh, bummer. That's the ticket. Lovely, tell your mum. Okay, That's how you frame out a niche. I'll turn that around, throw that in like that. I've got to cut it. The leftover piece I can use there. So yeah, I've got to cut it down a little bit first. But that's easy. In a minute, I'll come back to you. We'll see ya. Bye.